Episode 11 ended with a decision that changed everything. Drop the SMA crossover strategy we'd spent 10 episodes building and build something completely different. A session breakout strategy, the approach most professional prop firm traders actually use. Today, we find out if it works and whether it can pass a real prop firm challenge. Here's the concept behind a session breakout. Every night, the Forex market consolidates. During the Asia session, midnight to 7 am London time, price moves in a tight, defined range. Then London opens, volume surges, institutional money starts moving. Price breaks out of that Asia range, often sharply, often decisively. Our bot watches that range every night. At London Open, if price breaks above the high, it buys. If it breaks below the low, it sells. No indicators, no moving averages, just price breaking the defined range. First attempt 6 pairs GBPUSD, EURJPY, AUDUSD, EURUSD, NZDUSD, GBPJPY. Dynamic position sizing, the 5 percenters exact rules built in. 3 years of 15 minutes data, $100,000 starting balance. One question: does this pass? While this runs, the dynamic sizing logic is worth explaining. The bot doesn't use a fixed lot size. It calculates risk based on the current account balance every single trade. Max daily loss is 5% of whatever the balance is today. Risk per trade is a slice of that daily limit. The stop loss distance tells it exactly how many lots that risk amount translates to. As the account grows, lot size grows automatically. As it falls, they shrink. Same percentage risk on every trade forever. And the first result is a failure. 33.7% win rate. The strategy hit the hard floor, $90,000, at just 3.5 months. Challenge failed. Without knowing whether the bigger trend is up or down, the bot was trending fake breakouts as often as real ones. London fakes out constantly, the breakout fires, price reverses immediately, stop loss hit. The bot needed something to filter direction. We already had exactly that from the previous episodes. The 4-hour trend filter and the 4-hour 50 by 200 SMA trend filter only take buy breakouts when 4-hour is bullish, only take sell breakouts when 4-hour is bearish. One filter, same strategy, same pairs. Everything changed. Win rate jumped from 33.7% to 39.6%. Max drawdown dropped from 13.3% to 8.89%. And the number that matters most, target reached $110,963. Challenge passed in simulation, 10 months. The 4-hour filter, the same filter we built in episode 11, turned a completely failing strategy into a passing one. But 8.89% drawdown was still too close to the 10% limit for comfort, and one pair was actively dragging everything down. GBPUSD minus $4,854 across 3 years. This isn't the first time GBPUSD has underperformed. Across every test in this series, it has never been a consistent performer with our approach. So, we dropped it. Drawdown cut nearly in half, from 8.89% to 4.22%. But dropped GBPUSD reduced trading frequency. Fewer pairs meant fewer signals. So we made one adjustment. Instead of the New York session only firing when London produced no signal, allow both sessions to fire independently on the same pair on the same day. More opportunities from the pairs we already trust. Same quality filter. Passed again. 41.2% win rate. Better drawdown, more trading days. But NZDUSD was now bleeding. Minus $4,180. Same pattern as GBPUSD. Drop it. 4 pairs. 41.4% win rate. 6% max drawdown. 9 months to target. Every metric improving as we drop the drag. But AUDUSD was losing too. 33.8% win rate. Minus $3,484. Drop it. 3 pairs. GBPJPY, EURJPY, EURUSD. This is the last iteration. Let me walk through every change and what it produced. Attempt 1. 6 pairs, no filter, 33.7% win rate, hard flow rate failed. Attempt 2. Add 4-hour filter, 39.6% win rate, 8.89% drawdown, passed. Attempt 3. Drop GBPUSD, 40.1% win rate, 4.22% drawdown, better risk. Attempt 4. Independent New York session, 41.2% win rate, 6.97% drawdown, more trades. Attempt 5. Drop NZDUSD, 41.4% win rate, 6% drawdown, every metric improving. Attempt 6. Drop AUDUSD, 42.6% win rate, 4.27 drawdown, best result yet. 6 changes, 6 improvements, every single metric moving in the right direction every single time. The final numbers: 42.6% win rate, highest of any configuration in this entire series. 4.27% max drawdown, less than half the 10% allowed limit. Even if live trading is twice as bad as the simulation, the challenge still survives. Worst single day, minus 1.5%. Even if every pair hits stop loss on the same session, the account barely moves. Time to target 8 months. Here's the honest state of 3 pairs. GBPJPY 48.5% win rate plus $5,926 over 8 months. The primary engine. EURJPY 41.9% win rate plus $4,536. The secondary engine. EURUSD 37.8% win rate plus $95, essentially flat, but it provides the trading day diversification the strategy needs. 2 pairs carry the strategy, 1 pair keeps it active. 12 episodes, 7 iterations in one session. A complete strategy rebuilt from the ground up. If you have been following from episode 1, this is the moment everything clicks into place. Hit subscribe. Episode 13 is where we build the actual live trading engine. One more thing worth saying before we close: GBPUSD is gone from this strategy, but not abandoned. It needs a completely different approach, possibly mean reversion, possibly a tighter entry filter. That its own episode arc. A problem we are still actively working on. The pace we dropped were bad pace. This just didn't suit this specific strategy on this specific time frame. The data made the decision, not intuition. That's how this channel works. That's episode 12. We started this session with a strategy that hit the hard floor and failed in 3.5 months. We ended with the best result of the entire series: 42.6% win rate, 4.27 max drawdown, 8 months to target. 7 attempts, 1 session, 1 final strategy. And in episode 13, we stop backtesting and start building. 5 agents, real MT5 connection, automated trades firing without anyone touching a keyboard. See you on Sunday.